guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing August's gel box. I know we're not in August anymore, but this has only just arrived, so it may be September's box because we're now in September, but I'm just guessing that it's August. If I have sent them a message, so if I find out which box it is for definite, I'll make sure I update the title. So yeah, let's open up this box and see what we get inside. So the first thing I see is this pretty card, and it gives you a list of what you get inside. So let's open it up. Okay, normally we get like stickers and like a nail art design, and there's nothing like that here in this month's box, but that's fine. So the first thing I see is this really pretty detailed brush, but that's as it's come, as you can see, pretty messed up. I don't know if it's worth me fixing that. Oh, then yeah, I can trim off that a little bit and sort of see how it goes. But last month we got a detail brush from the same company in July's. I'm just looking through my mess of brushes. I've got to sort them out because I have way too many. Here we go, which again is Mermaid, kind of in the opposite direction, which is also a liner brush, but this one isn't messed up. So I do not know, but I'll see if I can fix it. If I can't, then yeah, I've already got one, so I'll just, throw it out. So the next thing I see is a little jar of gold caviar beads. We have a nail file, which I love these nail files. I say in every box that these are like my most favourite nail files to use. I love them. Then we have a cuticle oil. We get one of these every month. It has a nice floral scent to it. Super nice. Then the next thing I'm seeing here, it's Miss Cheerin adhesive gel solid sticker, transparent. On the card it's saying 3D sculpt gel. So is that like a lid to that, or is it? No? Here we go, I just took off a bit. Yeah, so good for doing sculpting with. Super cool, nice and clear. I bought a pack of sculpting gels, but they're all different colours. I don't have any clear, so I do like that. Whew, it's got a smell to it, I'll give it that. Whew, it reeks actually. Whew. But yeah, there's that, we'll put that in there. And then the last thing we've got in this box are the gel polishes. Now, all of their gel polishes are humour free. And these are big 20ml bottles. So the first one we have got is this, looks like neon pink, and it's called Dragon Fruit. And I actually have an acrylic called Dragon Fruit, and I believe it is pink. Yeah. So this acrylic is from Glitter Bells. And yeah, as you can see, Dragon Fruit, and it's pink. So that's just a nice little thing that I noticed. So yeah, bright neon pink. Then the next one we have is a neon orange called Lava, very appropriate name. Super bright orange. Then I'm really liking the look of this colour. It's called Tea Feety. It's a mint green. I love my greens. There we go, super nice. Like, I know we're coming up to fall now, but that would be a really nice colour for spring inspired nails. And then the last one we have is called Orchard, which is like a reddish purple. Very, very nice. So I am just going to go and swatch these off camera, and yeah, then I will be back, guys. Right, so I am back from swatching these colours that we got. So the first one we've got is Lava, which is a neon orange, and here it is. Super nice. Then the next one we have is Dragon Fruit, which is a neon pink. Then we have Orchard, which is a red toned purple. Super duper nice. I do like that one. I like all these colours, to be fair. And then we have Tea Fiti, if I'm saying that right, which is this really, really nice mint green. And yeah, I super duper like these colours. It would be fun trying to come up with a design, I think, using these three colours here for fall. That might be super nice. I'll have a think about it, and if I come up with an idea, then obviously I'll record that video and post it for you guys. And yeah, and this is everything I got in August's gel box. Really love all these colours. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in another video, guys.